Welcome back to the Trembi channel. In today's video, I'll be taking you through how to use the Trembi forms and why you should consider using them for your business. What extra advantage do they give you as opposed to anything else? So let's get started. Now, in order to access Trembi forms, all you have to do is go to campaigns.trembi.com, or alternatively, you could just search for Trembi campaigns. And the first result that you get will lead you directly to these Trembi campaigns. Now, upon getting to the forms, it will lead you to a page similar to this. Now, in order to access these forms, all you have to do is go right here under the word forms and create your very first form. Now, as you're creating your first form, it's going to ask you for a couple of details. Detail number one is the form name. Just put the name. As an example, we'll just use test. And test. Detail number two, it will need from you is which list do you want us to put the people that fill this form. Keep in mind that you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20. I don't care the number of lists that you have. So because you have different forms, it wants to help you segment your leads. As an example, you might have someone that has filled in a form for Kenyan clients, another one that has filled in a form for Facebook ads, another one that has filled in another form. So this will allow you to segment and understand who has filled in what. So for this case, I'll choose the only list that is there. Then you go to the next step. The next step now is where you choose what you want to include inside the form. As an example, I can choose the name, I can choose the email, I can choose the phone number, I could choose the company, I could even add things like the success message. Let me just type test. Now, after selecting all those, the form will be created. In fact, it creates a link similar to this. But yes, now back to the point. Why should you consider these forms? The main strength behind our forms is simply because of the automation functionality. So what happens inside Trembi is you can create an automation and say, as an example, I'm going to create an automation called test 232. Put a description, go to the next step. Then remember, on this automation, we can as well go ahead and select the list of people that we attached the form to. As an example, for our case, we use Tinder. This could be anything, to be honest. Then you can create a full marketing automation journey, meaning you can create your first WhatsApp message, put it there, type it out properly. You go and select the first SMS message, put it there, type it in properly, whatever it is that you want to type out. Then go ahead and add a delay. A delay means when next do you want to communicate this to this person? Maybe I want to communicate with them after 3 days. After that, I add my next message. Now, the advantage with this is all you do is create the entire workflow. And what will trigger the workflow is when someone fills in the form. Meaning this time around, as opposed to you receiving a message from someone and someone filling in the form, then you have to go to Google Forms to get that information and put it in your CRM and send email and SMS communications. The entire process happens once. All you do is set up the form, and the moment the person fills in the form, automatically it begins to send information, sends all the person, all the WhatsApp messages, all the emails, and it shows you all the statistics of what's going on. Have these messages gone? Have they been delivered? Have they been clicked? Whether it's WhatsApp, whether it's SMS, all of them are quite available. Now, that is the main difference between these kinds of forms and any other kinds of form. Keep in mind, it's an all-in-one sales and marketing software. So meaning it will not only give you the emails, but also the SMSs and the WhatsApps, so that the moment the person fills in the form, you can trigger any of those communications at the end of the day. The best bit about it is a platform is free, meaning it comes along with 1,000 emails. If you want SMSs, you could even buy from SMSs as low as $5 and get started. If you want WhatsApp, it also comes at one flat fee per month. So that is all that you need to pay for, but the rest of it is available for free, and you can get started using it now, immediately. So yes, in a nutshell, that is what the Trembi Forms is about. For more information, please feel free to email us on info@trembi.com or simply leave a comment here. We'll be able to get back to you. Bye bye for now.